One weekend in September, over 30,000 people invade the market town of Rossendale for the biggest street bike show in Europe. Bikers from all over the country start arriving on the Saturday to camp overnight, ready for the show on Sunday.
That's about it. So, yeah, when you go into
On Saturday, a cavalcade of 40 to 50 bikers promote the show by riding through the surrounding areas of Haslingden, Edenfield, Norden, Rochdale, Whitworth, Shawford, Bacup and Newchurch. That's before arriving in Rossendale for a warm welcome from the locals. All the events have been planned over the last 12 months by the Bike Show Committee.
My name is Tony Winder and I'm the show chairman. The first year was 1992 and we're now in our 6th year. In the first year we attracted 2,500 visitors and it's progressed every year. Last year we had 25,000 and hopefully this year, if the weather upstairs is alright, we'll maybe get 30,000.
Hello, Bike Show. The traders come from all over the British Isles, Scotland, Wales, Hampshire.
We use the sponsorship money for the basic costs. When we're putting a show like this on, every year we're going to incur basic costs: sound, stage, toilet facilities, road closures. Well, we've got to guarantee that money up front, because if it pours down and nobody comes, we still have the bill to pick up. So we can try and get as much money for sponsorship to cover the basic costs. That way the money received on the day all goes to charity.
The show is a total charitable organisation. There are 3 organisations involved: the Rossendale Round Table, the BMF Region 9 and the Chamber of Commerce. And the main aim is to cover expenses, keep money in the pot for the following year and then distribute the rest amongst local charities and riders' rights.
A lot of apprehensions, getting 125 trade stands into Rossendale Centre is a task in itself. So tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock I'll be out with a tape measure, making sure that everybody's got their allotted space and that everybody's comfortable with it. And then the anxiety is about the weather, you know.
From 10 o'clock on Sunday morning, Winfields in Haslingden becomes a meeting place for 4 celebrity-led ride-ins from Burnley, Chorley, Kirkby Lonsdale and Sherburn in Elmet.
I've actually just come from down the valley in Bury. It's only 5-6 miles away. I actually thought the Rossendale show was on last weekend and I was just out for a run out today and bumped into all these other bikers and I thought I'll get in on that.
You've only just got to look around, it's brilliant, excellent.
Ah, it's a good do. I thought I'd missed it last Sunday and I've been a bit gutted actually all week. So yeah, it's good, it's a good do.
Centre is then closed off to make way for live music, stunt shows, the Wall of Fear and much more. There's something for everyone to enjoy.
I'm very happy, very glad to open this 1998 show and to wish you a very happy day.
Over 120 trade stalls provide everything a biker could ever want, from leather jackets and helmets to beer can holders.
That's great. Can I have a catalogue as well?
I think it's a wonderful idea. It brings a lot of people into Rossendale. It brings everybody together and everybody's having fun, and that's important, isn't it? We've got to choose the best motorbike, the motorbike which we like best.
Well, I came in on the back of a motorbike this morning. My son is into motorbiking, so when he said this was going to happen, I was delighted when they asked me to have a ride in on the
I've just seen it grow so much over the years. I've been away racing on a number of occasions and haven't been able to attend, but the last 2 years I've been able to come to these events, and it's just getting bigger and bigger every year. Probably the biggest in the UK now.
The Rossendale Valley Motorbike Show has 3 aims: to promote motorcycling to the non-enthusiast and the enthusiast, to promote the Rossendale Valley, and to raise money for charities. The bikes come in all shapes and sizes and are left on display for everyone to admire.
Cigarettes and whiskey and wild, wild women, they'll drive you crazy, they'll drive you
The show bike competition has 18 categories with £500 worth of prize money to be won.
The Mayor's Choice is going to be presented by our Mayor, Councillor Molly Disley, and it goes to a 1996 Harley Davidson Classic Police bike, but please be careful when the owner comes up, he's very small. I'll call upon the show organiser Tony Winder to present the award to the Best in Show. It goes to a BSA A10 shop, number 108.
The success will be putting it moderately.
Yeah.
The huge success will be playing it down.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic, I think we'll sum it up.
There's no show like it in the country. It really is one of the best.
We've also had quite a few visitors, total strangers, just walk up to the Madam Mayor and said what a fantastic thing Rossendale does, turning its town over to a bike show like this.
We're getting bigger. Year 2000's coming.
Yes, we have got some plans. Hopefully we're going to go a bit more international in the year 2000, and we're hoping to line up with our twin town of Bocholt in Germany and put some plans into operation between the pair of us, because they have a motorbike club over there as well. To sum the day up, 35,000 visitors and 60 million midges. It's been a wonderful day.
Certainly has. Time to bed.
Cheers.
Not for you though.